Alright guys, we finished the paint yesterday, outside and inside, but we don't have the door painted yet. We decided that we're gonna stop it for now. We want to get the muscle rack ready in the pantry so we can get the things inside, because look at this, this is all pantry stuff, and it's just too much to be outside to clean the garage and everything like that. So we're gonna do the muscle rack and paint the door and then clean the garage. Let me tell you, this muscle rack is just so useful. We've had I think 4 or 5 of them during the course of the past 4 years, and they've been in good use. So when we move, we just keep them and keep using it. If you have heavy stuff, no matter it's in the laundry, in the kitchen, in the pantry, in your garage, these are just really strong. So get one if you have heavy stuff. Alright guys, last step of the pantry. I'm going to paint the door with semi-gloss white, and the pantry will be finished. Okay, the first layer is done. Lucky that I did the inside first. You can see that I did a lousy job. I didn't protect the doorknob, and it's not, the paint isn't very even, because I find it's quite difficult to work with the semi-gloss because it's like oily and slidey. So I mean, outside I definitely need 2 coats, but inside I'm just gonna leave it like this because I just want to save time and make it quick, and nobody's gonna see the inside. So I'm gonna move on to the outside of the door. Okay, outside of the door, first coat is done. I'm gonna wait till it to dry and apply a second coat. Okay, the second coat is done. So basically the pantry is finished. Alright guys, our pantry project is officially finished. It's such a long journey, and I hope you enjoyed the process and learned something, have something to take home. And this is only one of our home improvement projects. So we're gonna start our patio. We're gonna you know, install shelves on the garage, in the garage, on the walls, and all the things like that. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe, give this video a thumb up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.